Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this phone. So let's just get started by opening up settings, and in here we can start off by going into display and brightness. Right off the bat in here you'll find dark theme, which is dark mode. So you can swap between them if you want to. And there we go. So there we go, dark, light, but you also have the option to set it up as a schedule, either sunset to sunrise or based on just a custom schedule. Now whichever one you choose is completely up to you. So there we go. Now moving on to the next option, it's going to be the gesture navigation. So we can find this as a link at the bottom. You can see system navigation, and in here we can change it to gestures. When you enable it, it will remove the buttons from the bottom and just substitute them for gestures. The way you use them is swipe up to go home. There we go. Swipe up and hold. And swipe from either side to go back. So there we go. It needed a moment at the beginning to kind of like load it up. It was lagging and not working correctly, but now it is. Anyway, moving on to the next option. It's going to be the themes, which you can find right here, themes and lock screen, and here you can customize a bunch of different things about your phone. So my fonts, if you install some, you can change them right here. So we have default right now, nothing to choose from here. I believe none of them will, because I haven't downloaded anything. But obviously once you start getting different like themes and stuff like that, fonts and so on, they'll all show up right here and you will be able to easily change them. Checking, I am connected to the network, so yeah. Anyway, let's move over to the last thing that I wanted to show you, which is the AI assistant right here. And here we have two different things. So we have a smart accelerator, whatever that is. It's not like we can turn it on or off, it just is. But in here we have some options. So we have a couple of things that I have no actual idea what they are, like for instance smart sense. When Smart Sense is enabled, its updates will instantly appear on zero screen. What the heck is a zero screen? So yeah, I don't know, but then we have a couple different things like repayment reminders. So if you use some bank accounts, I assume it's going to give you just a reminder the moment it realizes that you're just paying for the same thing every month, and give you just later on reminders based on that, so you don't have to remember. But truth be told, most of us probably, if we have some kind of payment to make, we set it up so it automatically, the bank does it for us. So anyway, and we have a couple additional different toggles that you can go over and just fiddle around with them. Now, I recommend fiddling around with them if you've already seen them and for instance they annoy you and you want to disable them. That's probably where you're going to find some of them. For instance, like the reminder for payments, so you can get rid of it here. I assume it might be just reminding you after it realizes that your phone has been making the same payment, for instance for your car, for like several months now. It's going to start giving you a message about it, and obviously you probably have it set so it automatically does it, meaning your bank, and that would be just kind of annoying and pointless. So anyway, that's kind of where you can disable that if you don't want it. But this being said, this would conclude the tweaks and tricks that I want to show you. Not very many here, but it is what it is. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.